numbers or latest data gathered back up the DOH's pronouncement. No Delta variant local transmission in the NCR as of yet. And unless the figures breach or cross the threshold, the status quo will remain. PTV correspondent Mark Fatalco on the DOH's statement and why the impending fortnight lockdown beginning Friday next week is more preventive and precautionary in nature than anything else in this report.
Amid the threat of the Delta variant in the country, clinical experts from Israel asserted the importance of vaccination.
The main issue is vaccination. And we can see that the Philippine government and Department of Health is pushing up the campaign of vaccination. And this is an opportunity for the citizens of the Philippines to cooperate with this campaign.
About 98% of reported variants in Israel is the more infectious Delta variant, and it helped that more than 90% of their population has already been vaccinated.
With the 90% vaccination, they were able to disconnect the rise in the new cases with the number of hospitalized patients and deaths. And I think we are on the right track. We're just a bit late, but we will be there.
Israeli experts also shared some of their best practices against the pandemic, including the strict implementation of infection control protocols. They observed that many beds are being occupied by patients who are not supposed to be hospitalized, and saw the slow process of COVID-19 testing in the Philippines.
In our medical center, we have the results within 60 minutes from the start of the procedure. 60 minutes. And here, what we observed, that sometimes medical centers, emergency rooms, have to wait for 4 hours for the results. They are using GeneXpert. It's the same machine that we are using.
Health Secretary Francisco Duco III is open to their suggestions.
I hope that the learnings from your side will percolate and that this can be adopted, if not institutionalized, in the care of our severe and critical COVID patients.
Meanwhile, the DOH reiterated that there is still no community transmission of the Delta variant in the country as they see the link between the Delta cases and vaccination. Of the 8 reported fatalities due to the Delta variant, 3 were not vaccinated, while the other 5 are still being verified. 6 of them are local cases, while 2 are returning Filipinos. Mark Fatalco for The Nation.